What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can see by the title, we are talking about a product by the name of Jeep Leak Fix. And Jeep Leak Fix is supposed to stop your Jeep Wrangler from leaking water from the doors and the hardtop. Now, whether it works or not, we're going to find out today in this video. Let's get into it. Now, starting off talking about the kit and what comes in the kit, it comes with about, I think, 73 or 75 feet of the Jeep Leak Fix weather stripping. I'm going to call it weather stripping because that's what it reminds me of. It comes with a box cutter, and it comes with a squeegee or something to clean up your door edges and clean up the hardtop on the surface of where you're going to be sticking this product. So that's what it comes with. It's about $178 off of their website. I don't know, I haven't checked in a while. Prices have gone up everywhere, so I don't know if it's the same price or not, but I'll link it all in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. So starting off with the front doors and what this product does, it goes from this top corner all the way around to this corner here, and you apply it in a certain form or fashion. You can follow their video. I'll also link their video in the description box below as well. It's a tutorial, and it's about an hour long, and it really, the guy, I don't remember his name, he goes really into depth on how to install this and just the perfect way to install it. I recommend watching that video if you're going to be installing it. This is not an install video, it's just a review. But the weather stripping is not normal weather stripping. I don't even know if that's the appropriate term to call it, but it reminds me a lot of weather stripping, so I'm just gonna call it that. But it is, I'll come up closer with the camera so you can see what I'm talking about, but it's standard weather stripping, but with a catch. It's got this sort of lip on the outside here. Like I said, I'll come up closer so you guys can see. And the lip is what supposedly guides the water from the top of your top down, if it were to go inside the Jeep, down this channel and out to the bottom of the Jeep outside, not letting any water in. Now, I haven't installed the kit fully. I do plan on installing it here in the future, and I'm not going to do an install video because it's kind of tedious, and like I said, I recommend you following their video on it instead of me trying to teach you, because I'm very tedious about this kind of stuff too. So it'll be like an hour-long video if we did it, so I don't want to do that. So anyway, I've only installed it on the front doors, the driver's side and the passenger side, and I've installed it on the Freedom tops. Now, the whole kit does come with enough for you to install it on your rear doors, the hard top, and the back hatch with the tailgate and the window. So let's go ahead and jump into the Freedom top and talk about those, and I'll show you kind of an up close look at the hard top and what that looks like once it's installed. All right, here's the Freedom top. One side, both sides look identical. It's just flipped for both sides. And the Jeep Leak Fix weather stripping is only installed on 3 sides of the Freedom panels. You got the back, you got the side where the doors are, and you got the front. And there's already weather stripping on the other side, which connects the two Freedom tops together. It's, like I said, it's pretty much the same deal on the doors as for the Freedom top. There's just a little bit more layering that you have to do for the install for this weather stripping, and it's held up pretty good. I've had it on just for the Freedom panels and the front doors. I've had the Jeep Leak Fix on here for roughly maybe a year now, and the weather stripping is holding up really well, and I don't really have any complaints about the structure of it. Like I said, it's held up pretty well, and there's not really much else to talk about here. So let's go ahead and jump up top and find out if it really works or not. Now, all in all, I could go on and drive through a car wash or sprinkle some water over the top of the Jeep and say that it does work and prove that there is no leaking, but that really doesn't put it up to the test, really. I'm not going to do that, but I will say that 95% of the time, yes, Jeep Leak Fix does work. 95% of the time it works. The other 5%, I will have some water in the cab of the Jeep, on the floors, and sometimes on the seats after a thunderstorm or some snow or whatever it may be. But 95% of the time it does work. Now, I will say that before I installed this, I'd have about an inch or two of water in my floor panels, and I'd have to drain them out, which is not a big deal. But now it's barely any, maybe just a few droplets of water every now and then, but it's a lot better than it was, I will say that. So do I recommend this product? Yes, I do. For the price, it's worth it. $178, which is what I bought it for. I don't know if the price has changed or not. I'll link it all in the description box below. Check it out. I would say it's worth it, 100% worth it. And follow their video. It's in the description box as well. You guys can check it out. Follow their video and they show you how to do it all. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, if I helped you out in any way, form, or fashion, hit the like button. Comment down below if you guys are running the Jeep Leak Fix already and what your review is, and subscribe for more content like this. New videos every week. We'll see you guys in the next video.